In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine shipping on eBay. If you sell multiple items to the same buyer, setting up combined shipping can help you save time, avoid overcharging on postage, and create a better buying experience overall. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find the combined shipping settings inside eBay and what options you'll see once you get there. To begin, head to eBay and click on Sell. This takes you into the seller area where you can manage listings, orders, and shipping settings. If you're already signed in, this should open your seller dashboard right away. Once you're in the seller section, move your cursor over Orders. You don't need to click immediately here if the menu appears on hover. Just pause over it so the drop-down menu opens. This menu gives you quick access to different order-related tools. From that drop-down, click on Shipping Labels. This is where eBay groups together shipping tools and label-related settings for sellers. It's also where you can access the preferences that control how shipping works across your account. After the shipping labels page opens, look for shipping preferences and click on it. This section is important because it contains the rules and settings that affect how shipping charges are handled for your listings and orders. Inside shipping preferences, find the area labeled Combined Shipping Rules. This is the setting you'll use when you want eBay to support combined shipping for buyers who purchase more than one item from you. Open that section to continue. Next, click on Edit. This allows you to make changes to your combined shipping setup instead of just viewing the current settings. If you've never adjusted this before, this is the point where you'll be able to review the available rule types and decide which one fits your listings best. After clicking Edit, you'll see the combined shipping rule options available to you. These include a flat shipping rule, a calculated shipping rule, and a promotional shipping rule. These options are useful because different sellers ship in different ways. Flat shipping is typically better if you want to charge a fixed amount. Calculated shipping is helpful if shipping costs vary by size, weight, or destination. And promotional shipping can be useful if you want to offer a special discount when buyers purchase multiple items. Take a moment to review those rule types carefully so you can choose the one that matches your shipping strategy. And that's how you get to the combined shipping settings on eBay. Once you're in the right place, it becomes much easier to manage shipping charges for multi-item orders.